Today, I'll show you how to set a birthday reminder in Google Calendar so you never miss an important celebration again. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a reminder that pops up exactly when you want it to. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want the reminder to appear. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check that you're on the right one by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Once your calendar is loaded, look toward the top left of the screen for the Create button. This is where you start anything new in Google Calendar, including events, tasks, and reminders. Go ahead and click on Create. A small menu will appear with a few options. Click on Event. Birthday reminders work best as events because they give you more control over the timing and type of notification you'll receive. Now you'll see the Event Details panel. At the top, there's a field for the event title. Click into that box and type something clear and recognizable like Alex's birthday or simply Mum's birthday. Using a consistent naming style can help you quickly scan your calendar and see what's coming up. Next, choose the date and time, click on the date field and select the person's birthday from the calendar. If you want the reminder to span the whole day and you don't care about a specific hour, you can leave it as an all-day event. If you prefer a certain time, such as 9 a.m., uncheck the all-day option and set the start time instead. Pick whatever works best for when you're most likely to take action, like buying a gift or making a call. Now let's set up the reminder itself. Look for the notification section in the event details and click on Add Notification. This tells Google Calendar when to alert you about the upcoming birthday. By default, Google might give you a basic notification, but to get exactly what you want, click on Custom. This opens more specific options and lets you fine-tune how early you want to be reminded. From here, select whether you want the reminder a certain number of days or weeks before the birthday. For example, choose 1 week before if you want time to plan a gift, or 1 day before if you just need a quick heads up. You can type in the number and then choose between days or weeks from the drop-down. After setting how many days or weeks before, choose the exact time for the reminder. This is the time of day when the notification will appear on your phone or computer. For instance, you might set it to 8 a.m. so you see it first thing in the morning. When you're happy with the timing, click Done to confirm your custom notification settings. Take a quick look over your event details to make sure the title, date, and reminder settings all look correct. Finally, click Save. Your birthday reminder is now added to your Google Calendar, and you'll get a notification exactly when you've chosen. You can repeat this process for each important birthday you want to remember, building your own simple birthday reminder system right inside Google Calendar.